Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on the video of our trip down Bear Creek from last month. I hope you enjoy it. Before we jump in, I have to give a huge shout out to Todd Oyen. He is our karate instructor and friend, and he lent me a camera called an Insta360 Go for me to use on this trip. If you can't tell, I use my phone to capture all of our video. So when we're in water and we're going over rougher water, I put my phone in a dry box because I like my phone and I don't want it to end up in the water. So I was able to use this Insta360 Go, put it on my shirt, and capture some shots that I wouldn't have normally been able to get. So anytime you see those words in the corner, shot on an Insta360 Go, remember to thank Todd Oyen. Thank you.
So what are we doing today?
We're kayaking Bear Creek. This is the class 2, right?
It's a class 2, yep.
Class 2 rapids.
Yep, so
And we all just jumped off.
yeah, this bluff right here.
And this is Upper Bear Creek.
Yes,
We're about to get to the waterfall. It's only rained a little bit.
just a little. But we're wet anyway, so doesn't matter.
And we're having fun.
Yes, yes.
This is called the night before preparation because we don't get up early enough to put the boats in the truck day of.
Yeah, that's very, we're tired too, you know. Of course, the morning wouldn't be any different. Morning might be a little worse, but
Oh yeah, no, I have way more energy tonight than I will tomorrow.
yeah. I feel like my cognitive energy, my cognitive skills is not here tonight. So,
Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down to catch this, or she's just gonna throw it at me anyway. I think I just went for all the dips because my boat kind of went. You made it! Rebecca has just finished rescuing a dragonfly. There's the fisherman, bringing up the rear.
well, thank you.
We've never done this and had everyone make it over without falling, so this is our first attempt to do that. Okay, that didn't look okay. Holy crap! You catch a fish? You know, I hope the world doesn't end and we have to go back to hunting our own food. I don't even know where Doritos live. Oh, good.
Got it.
You're welcome. You're welcome. It just needed my presence. Oh, that's a big one. Hold on. All right. Yep. Got it.
Beautiful fish.
That is a pretty fish.
That probably weighed at least a pound.
One person catches a fish, then the other two start fishing.
Big fish.
Big fish, I'm sorry. Big fish. Woo! You keep going.
Oh, it feels so good.
Whenever you're ready. You left Rebecca behind.
This may look stupid. Now it's like 100 yards, or maybe 300. It's not long.
Wrong way! Yes, he is.
Don't worry about videoing me. I mean, got it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's not quite as raging as the last one.
No, it's not. Now, how did you just say, hup? I need a kayak pad.
Whoops. I'm sorry, I'm like right on your tail. With his hand in the cookie jar. Oh, you got two! You were only supposed to get one.
We have to ration.
Good to see it.
Oh, water in my seat. Hello. The entire thing to Frosty. We were wondering how you were going to get your antennas through.
That's a really good looking fish. I mean,
Good job.
thank you.
He even flopped around your boat for a second.
He did. And he's pretty.
Hate to let him go, don't you?
I know, I really do. Alright, bye.
Oh, is he on your? Uh-oh. You're just like dragging them along with you.
Well, I wasn't anywhere near y'all. I forgot my phone. Are you okay, fish? There you go. I know you've had a traumatic ride. To get up your call.
How's the fishing been this trip, Jen?
It is spectacular. Not a half one. I thought I had one. I didn't. has some of the best fishing. In fact, I'm not sure that the fish ever don't bite here. I mean, all 3 times I've been here, I have stopped counting the fish that I've caught.
So you don't know how many you caught today?
I don't know. I quit counting after about 9.
Woo!
Mm-hmm.
Is that before or after the falls?
This was probably before.
Before.
Mm-hmm, yeah, they're not big, you know, but still they're fun.
Yay! Oh, this must be the takeout point.
I think I know this is the first trip that we have made it the entire way and nobody's flipped over.
On Bear Creek.
On Bear Creek. Yes, precursor.
Nobody in our party
Right.
flipped over.
Right. We're off the water, so I can say that now.
Yes.